Black mold is silently destroying your home right now and you don't even know it. Professional testing reveals that 60% of homes have dangerous mold levels hiding behind their walls, especially in humid places like Garland, Texas. The scariest part? That musty smell you're ignoring could be making your family sick with respiratory issues, allergies, and worse. Here's the no-nonsense solution. Get a professional inspection immediately if you notice any musty odors, water stains, or unexplained health issues. Don't waste money on DIY solutions. They only mask the problem while mold continues spreading inside your walls. A certified remediation team will contain the area, remove all traces of mold, and fix the moisture source permanently. Pro tip: keep indoor humidity below 50% and fix leaks within 48 hours to prevent mold from coming back. Your family deserves a healthy home. One inspection could save you thousands in repairs and medical bills later. Don't wait until you can see it. By then, it's already a major problem. Call a certified mold inspector today.